Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. If your Karcher carpet cleaner is running but not spraying water, it can make the whole cleaning process ineffective because the machine is no longer applying the solution needed to remove dirt and stains. This issue can be confusing since the motor may still be working normally, but no water comes out during use. In most cases, the problem isn't a major fault, it's usually caused by a blockage, an empty or improperly fitted tank, or air trapped in the system. These machines rely on proper water flow and pressure, so even a small interruption can stop the spray function completely. The good news is that with a few simple checks, you can often fix the issue quickly. In this video, I'll guide you through the exact steps to restore the spray function and get your cleaner working properly again. Try these. Step 1. Check that the water tank is filled properly and securely attached. Step 2. Remove and reattach the tank to ensure correct positioning. Step 3. Inspect the spray nozzle and clean it to remove any blockage. Step 4. Prime the system by holding the spray trigger for a few seconds. Step 5. Check the hose and internal lines for any kinks or obstructions. Step 6. Turn the machine on and test the spray function to confirm it works.